I'm still in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just open the Play Store, and after that here in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait just while application downloading and installing. Then tap here to open and click enabling settings. Here you'll see the green Apple keyboard switcher. Click here once, tap OK, and again to OK. After that tap to go back and click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just we can see that the process is finished, and let's go for example into the App Store to see the new look of our device keyboard. And this keyboard we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the same address. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.